Hello student, welcome to my channel Sparkle Mind. ஒளிரும் மனது cbse practice question paper additional question paper 23-24 கான சொல்யூஷன்ஸில் 4 marks and 6 mark questionஸோட சொல்யூஷனை இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். இது டைம் 3 hours பேப்பர், maximum marks 80, code number 55. First we have to manage our time. They are asking 80 marks, 34 questions out of 80 marks in 3 hours. So first 1.5 hours குள்ள நம்ம 60% குள்ள மார்க் உள்ள கொஸ்டின்ஸை கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். அப்போ தான் நம்மளால் ஈஸியாக ஃபுல் பேப்பரை கவர் பண்ண முடியும். அதற்கு ஃபஸ்ட்டு 4 மார்க்ஸ் அண்ட் 6 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸ்லேருந்து நீங்கள் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு எகைன் 3 மார்க்ஸ் 2 மார்க்ஸ் லாஸ்ட்டில் 1 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கு வரலாம். 1 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கு வரும்போது யூ ஹாவ் 45 minutes டைம் அவைலபிளாக உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கிற மாதிரி நீங்கள் மேனேஜ் பண்ணணும். ஏன்னா இதில் 34 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்குது. கொஸ்டின் 1 to 16 and 27 to 30, 1 to 16 ஒரு 16 கொஸ்டின், 27, 28, 29, 34, totally 21 mark questions including assertion and reasons. After that 17, 18, 19, 20, 31, 32, 6 3 mark questions. It is carries 18 marks. And then 4 mark question la 21, 22, 33, 3 4s are you get 12 marks. And then 23, 24, 25, 26, 34, 5 questions, it carries 30 marks. So you have finished first backலேருந்து போனாலும் பரவாயில்ல. 6 mark questions, after that 4 mark question and 3 mark question. லாஸ்ட்டில் யூ ஹாவ் டேக் 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions வரும்போது யூ ஹாவ் 45 minutes டைம் இருக்கா மாதிரி ஸ்பீடாக ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணால் டெஃபினெட்லி யூ வில் அச்சீவ் 80 out of 80. ஓகே, வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாமா? ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின்ஸ் 4 மார்க்ஸில் 21. கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 21. Aquaco Limited took over assets of 12,90,000 and liabilities of 40,000 of Bangar Limited, and in consideration issued 50,000 equity shares of 10 each at 20% premium, and then issued 9% debentures of face value of 4 lakhs. They are given only face value of 4 lakhs at 10% discount. Balance by check. This entire business purchase resulted in increase in capital reserve balance. See here, increase in capital reserve balance from 90,000 to 1,30,000 in balance sheet. Show necessary entries in books of Aquaco Limited. இந்த கொஸ்டினில் Aquaco Limited என்கிற கம்பெனி பங்கார் லிமிடெட் கம்பெனியை டேக் ஓவர் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதில் அவங்களுடைய அசட்ஸ் 12,90,000 இருக்குது, லியாபிலிட்டி 40,000. ஸோ பங்கார் லிமிட்டடோடைய ஃபஸ்ட் வி ஹாவ் வேல்யூ ஆஃப் த பிஸ்னஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிக்கணும். வாட் இஸ் தி வேல்யூ ஆஃப் தி பிஸ்னஸ்? அசட்ஸ் மைனஸ் லியாபிலிட்டிஸ் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் எ வேல்யூ ஆஃப் த பிஸ்னஸ். ஸோ ஹியர் அசட் இஸ் given 12,90,000, liabilities is given 40,000. So that value of the Bankar Limited is equal to 12,90,000 minus 40,000. We get 12,50,000. This is the Bankar Limited company value. In the 12,50,000, Aqua Limited, how they are settled their purchase liabilities? Aqua Limited issue 50,000 equity shares at 20% premium of par value 10. So they are issuing 50,000 equity share, face value 10 rupees, but 20% premium gramga. So premium is 2 rupees. Total value of one share is equal to 12 rupees. Therefore, value of equity share is 6 lakhs rupees. And then they are also issuing 9% debenture of 4,000 issued at 10% discount, face value 4 lakhs. 9% debenture issue பண்றாங்க, 4,000 debenture, அதோட face value 100, but 10% discountனால one share ஓட value 90 rupees. Therefore 4,000 debenture ஓட value is equivalent to 3,60,000. 3,60,000. That means ஒரு share ஓட debenture ஓட value 10% discount not 10 rupees போச்சுனா 90 rupees. 4,000 into 90, 3,60,000. So totally equity share மூலமா 6 lakhs and then debenture மூலமா 3,60,000 கொடுக்குறாங்க, 9,60,000, and they are also told balance in check. Balance by check. So balance how much நம்ம calculate பண்ணணும். Balance calculate பண்ணுறதுக்கு they are given ஒரு key point. Capital reserve shows from 90,000 to 1,30,000. So capital reserve increase ஆயிருக்கு, 40,000 rupees increase ஆயிருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. So capital reserve 40,000 increase ஆயிருக்குன்னா we have asset account debtor 12,90,000, liabilities account debtor 40,000. After that they are given capital reserve. Capital reserve credit 40,000. Then balancing figure 12,10,000. 12,10,000 Bankar Limited க்கு Aqua Limited கொடுக்கணும். 12,10,000. The 12,10,000 they are splitted in equity share, debenture and balance in check. So first 5,000 equity share at $2 rupees premium. So Bankar account debtor 6 lakhs to equity share capital account 5 lakhs to securities premium account 1 lakh. Being shares issued at premium to Bankar Limited. +2. Then Bankar Limited account debtor 3,06,000. Discount on issue of debenture account debtor 40,000 to 9% debenture. So debentures issued at discount to Bankar Limited. So totally 3,60,000 and 6 lakhs. Balance amount 2,50,000 paid by check. Bankar Limited account debtor 2,50,000 to bank account debtor 2,50,000 being balance paid by check. Refer working note 3. Working note 3 so நம்ம business consideration 12,10,000 பார்த்தோம். அதில் டிபெஞ்சர் அண்ட் இஷ்யூ ஷேர் 9,60,000 போயிட்டுனா பேலன்ஸ் அமௌண்ட் 12,50,000 paid by check. 22nd. Manya, Sangat and Rupam were partners, sharing profit in the ratio of 2:2:1. On 31st March 23, the balance sheet was as follows. Liabilities, asset. Liabilities less 6 lakhs, contingency reserve 2 lakhs, capital of Manya, Sangat, Rupam 8 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 5 lakhs, totally 20 lakhs. So liabilities total 28 lakhs. Here asset side, fixed asset 14 lakhs, stock 4 lakhs, debtors 3 lakhs, cash at bank 7 lakhs, totally 28 lakhs. Sangar died on 15th June 23. இங்கே கவனமாக பார்க்கணும். சங்கர் டியூரிங் தி அக்கௌண்டிங் பீரியடில் 15th June died. According to partnership deed, his executors were entitled to balance in his capital account. His share of goodwill will be calculated on the basis of thrice the average profit of first 4 years' profit. His share in profits up to the date of death on the basis of average profit of last 2 years. Interest on capital at 12% per annum up to the date of death. They are giving the firm's last 4 years profit. 29, 19, 20, 1 lakh 20, 20, 20 to 21, 2 lakhs, 21 to 22, 2 lakh 60,000, 20, 22 to 23, 2 lakh 20,000. Zangar's executors were paid the amount immediately. They were paid the amount immediately. Now, Sankard executors were immediately settled by cash. Prepare Sangar's capital account to be presented to his executor's account. Sangar is one of the partner, died in the middle of the year. So he is eligible, his executor is eligible, அவனுடைய கேபிட்டலுடைய பேலன்ஸ், அவனுடைய ஷேர் ஆஃப் குட்வில், and then profit suspense account up to the date of death. It is a key point we have to give. Profits up to the date of death. This is known as it comes under profit and loss suspense account. இது ரிவைஸ்டு பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட்டில் நம்ம அசட் சைடில் போடணும். சரி, இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் கேபிட்டல் அட் 12% per annum up to the date of death. So he is eligible to capital. Share of goodwill, that is they have to given in gaining ratio, he is eligible. Then share of profit, valuation of the goodwill, when the firm's goodwill we have to find out. Then profit on average profit of last 2 years. Okay. So here Sangar's capital account, you know that by balance brought down 7 lakh. Here Manya's capital account, Rupan's capital account, that is this is share of goodwill in the gaining ratio. Refer working note 1. Calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is the average profit into 3 years purchase they are given. Average profit of 4 years is equal to 2 lakhs. Valuation of goodwill is equal to 2 lakhs into 3, 6 lakhs. Here Sangit's share of goodwill is equal to 2 by 5. So it is equivalent to 2,40,000. This 2,40,000 is shared by their remaining partners Manya and Rupam 2:1, that is the gaining ratio. Therefore, Manya's capital account is 1,62,000. From Manya's capital account, he get 1,60,000. Rupam's capital account 80,000. And then profit and loss suspense account is arrived here 20,000. Working note 2 பார்க்கலாம். Calculation of profit and loss suspense account. Shankar's share of profit up to the date of death, that is 15/6 to 23 வரைக்கும் தான் நம்மளால் கொடுக்க முடியும். 31/3/142 1/4/23 to 15/6/23, therefore 2.5 months. So she is eligible to get 2.5 months profit only. So average profit of last 2 years is 2,40,000. Here Shankar's share 2/15, 2/5 into 2.5 months. So it is 20,000. Like that, interest on capital also 12% up to the date of death only he is eligible. So his capital is 7 lakhs, 12% into 2.5 months. So it becomes 17,500. Again, in the balance sheet, contingency reserve is given. Any reserve, any accumulated profit should be shared to the all partners in the old ratio. Here contingency reserve is 2 lakhs is given. 2 lakhs Shankar's share is equal to 2/5. In 2 lakhs 2/5 he is eligible. So contingency reserve 80,000. Therefore he is eligible, totally eligible 10,57,500. This amount should be given to his executors, Shankar's executor account. So it is given that it is immediately settled down. Therefore executor's account it is paid 10,57,500 by the remaining partners. Question number 23. Priyanshu Limited invited applications for issuing 80,000 equity share of 100 each at a premium of 10. Priyanshu Limited invited application is 80,000. So the amount was payable as follows. Application 30, allotment 30 including premium 10. On first call balance, applications of 2,30,000 shares were received. Here they are invited application only 80,000, but public subscribed 2,30,000. It is over subscription. Here allotment was made on pro rata basis to the applicant of 1,80,000 shares, and remaining were sent letters of credit, rejected remaining. Excess money on application was to be utilized towards allotment and subsequent calls. David, who was allotted 1,600 shares, paid nothing after application. These shares were forfeited after the first call. Then 1,000 of these shares were reissued to Sundar for 90 per shares as fully paid. Pause necessary journal entries in the books of Priyanshu Limited. Journal entries. Bank account data to share application account 69 lakhs, being application money received for 2,30,000 application at the rate of 30 per share. So share application account data 69 lakhs, to share capital 24 lakhs, to bank account 15 lakhs, to allotment account 24 lakhs to first and final call account 6 lakhs, being application money adjusted as per working note 1. See the working note. Application invited 80,000. So invited they have to share capital 24 lakhs. Application received 2,30,000 at the rate of 69. Application allotted 1,80,000 only 54 lakhs. Application rejected 2,30,000 received, allotted 1,80,000. அப்போ excess application 50,000 உடைய amount வந்து reject ஆயிடுது. Here, see one here. Invited application is 80,000. Allotted application is 1,80,000. Therefore, excess application is 1 lakh. Excess application is 1 lakh. That 1 lakh amount of 30 lakhs rupees should be adjusted the next further calls. But further call is known as allotment. Allotment only. So, this amount is allotted to allotment. After that, first call. Being application money adjusted as per the working note 1. Share allotment account debtor 24 lakhs to share capital 16 lakhs to securities premium 8 lakhs. Amount due for 80,000 share at the rate of 30 per share. That is 20 plus 10 rupees securities premium. Therefore, 80,000 into 20, 16 lakhs, 80,000 into 10, 8 lakhs, totally 24 lakhs due. Then, bank account debtor calls in advance account. See there, calls in advance. Application moneyலியே நமக்கு எக்ஸஸாக கிடைக்கிற 24 lakhs கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அண்ட் தென் ரிமைனிங் 6 lakhs வரை ஃபஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஃபைனல் கால்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அலாட்மெண்ட் மணி டியூ ஆல்ரெடி 24 lakhs. ஸோ அப்ளிகேஷன் மணிலேயே ரிசீவ் ஆனதுனால பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட்டுக்கு இந்த இடத்துல நில், நோ மணி கம்ஸ் இன் டு தி பேங்க். ஸோ அலாட்மெண்ட் அமௌண்ட்டோட டியூ 24 lakhsம் எதுலேயே ரிசீவ் ஆகிடுதுன்னா அப்ளிகேஷன்லேயே ரிசீவ் ஆகிடுது. ஸோ இது பேமெண்ட் பண்ணலைன்னா கூட நோ டியூஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப், ஷேர் ஃபஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஃபைனல் கால் அக்கௌண்ட் debtor டு ஷேர் கேபிட்டல். ஸோ 80,000 shares at the rate of 50 per rupees, 40 lakhs, 40 lakhs. Here, bank account debtor not fill பண்ணலை. பட் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கால்ஸ் இன் அரியர் டேவிட் வந்து 68,000 இருக்குது. ரெஃபர் working note 2. Calls in advance ஆல்ரெடி அப்ளிகேஷன்லேயே 6 lakhs rupees நமக்கு கிடைச்சிடுது. ஸோ ஷேர் ஃபஸ்ட் கால் அக்கௌண்ட் 40 lakhs போக ரிமைனிங் பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட் 33 lakhs 32,000. Here calls in arrear of David. Refer working note 2. Allotted share for David 1,600. Applied share is applied 3,600 shares. So excess application 1,600. 3,600 minus 1,600 you get 2,000 excess application along with 30 rupees na 60,000 rupees advance application money he received. He is filed to pay application only he paid. ஸோ அலாட்மெண்ட்டும் பே பண்ணல, கால்ஸ் மணியும் பே பண்ணலன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. allotment amount due to David வந்து 1600க்கு 48,000. ஆல்ரெடி உன்ட்டு எக்ஸஸ் மணி 60,000 இருக்கிறதுனால 48,000 allotmentக்கு அட்ஜஸ்ட் ஆகிடும். பேலன்ஸ் வந்து 12,000 ஃபஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஃபைனல் காலுக்கு அட்ஜஸ்ட் ஆகும். ஃபஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஃபைனல் கால் அமௌண்ட் வந்து 80,000 less excess balance 12,000. Therefore, balance 2 that is calls in arrear for David is 68,000. Next immediately அவங்களுடைய 1600 ஷேரும் forfeit பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ we have to write the forfeit journal. Forfeit journal, share capital account data to forfeited account to calls in arrear account. Share capital account data 1600 into 100, 1,60,000. Calls in arrear already we find out 68,000. Balance amount 92,000 is forfeited. Next reissue. Out of 1600 share, 1000 share reissue பண்ணிருக்காங்க. At the rate of எத்தனை ரூபாய்? 95 rupees. That is 5 rupees discount issue பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Therefore, bank account data 95,000. Share forfeited account data 5,000. To share capital 10,000. 1000 shares were reissued at the rate of 95. So, reissue முடிஞ்சதும் capital reserve we have to calculate. Calculation of capital reserve. Number of shares forfeited by number of shares reissued into share forfeited credit minus share forfeited debit. Out of 1600 shares, 1000 shares were reissued and share forfeited credit is equal to, we find out here, 92,000. So, we get 57,500. Here on reissue, forfeited debit la 5,000 இருக்கு. So, it amount transferred to capital reserve 52,500. So, forfeited account data 52,500 to capital reserve 52,500. Being share forfeited money transferred to capital reserve as per working note.